Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to use the new Instagram voice changer filter. As always, make sure your Instagram has been updated to the latest version. This is available on the Android and the iPhone Instagram app. So let's go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Tap on the camera icon at the top left, which will take you to your Instagram stories. Now at the bottom, find the voice effect filter, which will look like this. If you cannot find it, then swipe all the way to the right and tap on browse effects. Then search for voice effects and make sure it is by Instagram. Tap on it and then tap on the down arrow, which will save it to your Instagram story. Now let's go back to your Instagram story and make sure the voice effect filter has been selected. Above it, you'll see different voice options. So you have helium, giant, vocalist, announcer, and robot options to select from. Select one and hold the record button to record your voice. Once you've recorded it, you can listen back to it to make sure you're happy with it. And there you go guys, that is how to use the new voice effect filter on your Instagram stories. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.